Country lifestyle in St. Thomas. Look at the ocean, look at the sea. Anybody who like to see, this video is for you. Look at the ocean in St. Thomas along the coastline. Crashing waves. And the surfing over there. Mighty body of water. Work in progress. This is the highway, what they're gonna do. New road. Amazing ocean. The waves. Got the crashing waves. Look at the wave, man. Jamaica Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Can do surfing over here, look at it. Nature in Jamaica. As far as the eye can see, it's the ocean. That's the end of Jamaica. Anyway, you see the sea coast, you know, so that's part of end of Jamaica. Those water belongs to Jamaica. You have certain nautical miles out there. All the water belongs to Jamaica after you go certain miles. Nice view over there, nice shots. Thanks for watching this video, road trip in St. Thomas. Please like the video. You can share and you can leave a comment.